Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself is Prashanth. I am studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru in Department of Basic Science. Today we are going to learn the subject that is Principle of Programming using C language. In this subject, first we are going to learn the topic that is recursive functions. Recursion function in C language. Introduction. What is recursion function? Recursion is the process of a function calling itself repeatedly till the given condition is satisfied. A function that calls itself directly or indirectly, it's called a recursion function. Such kind of function calls are called as recursive calls. In C language, recursion is used to solve complex problems by breaking them down into simple subproblems. We can solve large number of problems using recursion in C language. For example, fractional of a number, generating Fibonacci series, generating subsets, etc. Basic structure of recursion functions. The basic syntax structure of the recursion function is first type function name, then function statements, base condition, and recursion case. And we are knowing to what is base condition and recursion case. Fundamentals of recursion functions. The fundamentals of recursion consist of two objects which are essential for any recursion function. These are first one is recursion case and second one is base condition. Recursion case. The first fundamental of recursion function is recursion case. The recursion case refers to the recursive call present in the recursion function. It decides what type of recursion will occur and how the problem will be divided into similar subproblems. The recursion case defined as in the sum brackets. Then function of the above example is then int res refers to the recursion function is equal to n plus n sum of n minus 1. Then f of n is equal to n of n plus f of n minus 1. The recursion case is often represented mathematically a recursion relation for the above cases. Second fundamental is base condition. The base condition specifies when the recursion is going to terminate. It is the condition that determines the exit point of the recursion. Note, it is important to define the base condition before the recursion case, otherwise the base condition may never encountered and recursion might continue till infinity. Considering the above example again, the base condition defined for the n sum functions if n is equal to 0 and return 0. How recursion works in C. This chart is helps us to know how recursion works in C language. Then it is start to n some number of n up to return 0. First is 5 plus n sum of 4, then 4 plus n sum of 3, then 3 plus n sum of 2, then 2 plus n sum of 1, then 1 plus n sum of 0. It is continue up to 0, then 5 to 0. This chart is represent the how recursion function is works in C language. Now we are coming to the main topic of this class, that is memory allocation for C recursion function. Let's use the first example again and see how the memory is managed for n sum functions. In this example, I am going to take that nine steps. It's your wish. It depends on what are the argument. If in case in this example it is 5, in some other cases it is 9, 10 like that. In step 1, when sum is called the main function and with 5 is an argument. 5 is depends upon the question depends. A stick frame for n sum is created. Then step 2 is in main function n sum is 5, that is fixed now. we are taking 5 is an argument. That's why in main function first we are going to take n sum is 5. In second step, n sum 5 is in sum 5 is as it is, and recursion is equal to 5 plus n sum 4. 4 in this plus sign. After plus sign we are going to take what are the argument is there in that argument, minus 1 number we are going to take in this second step. These steps is continue up to n sum of 1 1. In step 3, main function is as it is n sum 5, and second one is n sum 5 is equal to or recursion is equal to 5 plus n sum of 4. In this third step, this is a new part, that is n sum 4 or recursion is equal to 4 plus n sum of 3. In step 4 also it continues same only. Then main function is fixed, and n sum 5 also fixed, and n sum 4 is also fixed. This is new one, that is n sum of 3 is equal to or recursion is equal to 3 plus n sum of 2. In introduction only I will told, that is res, that is recursion. Res is defined as recursion. In step 5, main function is already we know that is same only, and n sum of 5 only same, and n sum of 4 is also same up to n sum of 0 it will continue. And if here n is equal to 0, we can take return 0. Then in step 6, this is main step, because the name itself shows recursion function. It is recursion function. In step 6, main is as it is, and n sum 5 4 3 2 up to 1 it is same only, and n sum of 0 it's same. And after loop, this loop is comes back, that is n sum of 0 is comes back to the n sum of 1. It is also is continuous process. In step 6, what is the process is done now, that is continue here only. In step 7, that is in step 6, n sum of 0 is comes back to the n sum of 1. In step 7, that is n sum of 1 is comes back to the n sum of 2. In step 8 also n sum of 2 is comes back in 3, and 3 come back to up to the n sum of 4 is comes back to the n sum of 5. This is the last step of a problem, that is step 9. It's a comeback loop come back up to n sum of 5, and in ninth step n sum of 5 is come back to the main function. In main function sum is 15, that is only our output. In this problem the output or answer is 15. It completes our today's session, that is recursive function. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.